I got a weird request today. A client checked in the computer and asked me to clean it up. Great, I'll do it for them. And based on the story behind it is that they sent it to a computer repair shop. It's still under warranty. And the warranty manufacturer said the computer was infested with bugs. Therefore, they do not want to warranty the computer until it's got clean. So here I am, still wrapping the plastic bag. We'll take it apart and clean it up for the client. So let's begin. I'm just curious to know how bad the infestation is. Let's identify the computer. This is a Lenovo laptop. Take a look at the back number here. It says Yoga 716ML9. I believe that is the model. So let's get started. I'll be using a Torque T5. There are 3 screws on the top. And 4 screws at the bottom. What I like to do is to start from the corner, get right underneath the back cover. Using a plastic prying tool. And the entire back cover just come right off. It looks pretty clean to me. What do you mean by infestation? I don't see any bugs. All right, I'm going to disconnect the battery here for a second. Phillips screw. Well, it looks pretty clean to me on this part. I don't see any liquid damage. Okay, I do see a one cockroach right here, a baby roach on the top left corner hinge. That is the only roach I see so far. So there's one. Okay. Maybe there's another one right here, a really small bug. It's not a bug actually, some kind of I don't know, some kind of dust or something that is there. All right, at this point here, let me see what I can do. Just kind of clean the computer. To me, it looks pretty clean. Yep, it looks pretty clean to me on this side. Okay, that's it. Let's put the battery back together. There was only one baby roach. That's all I see. I'm not sure why they have hard time sending it back for warranty. Maybe the time that when they open up, there was a lot more bugs in it. But when I open it up, there's only one dead baby roach. That's pretty much it. Pretty clean though. The fan is not crazy dusty. I mean, I do see they might have pets in it, like maybe a cat fur. But other than that, it looks clean to me. I don't think a bug that may have caused the damage, but who knows? It is up to them to decide. So my job is to clean it, which I did, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully, they're happy with the warranty. Bye now.